Consider the sum from I equals 1 to n of some constant term c. What does this sum equal? Notice the expression that we are summing does not have a place for us to plug our index of summation I into. The expression inside the sum is just a constant c. It does not depend on I. That means for every value of I from 1 to n, we are essentially adding the same number. We just add c every time. For I equals 1, we add c. For I equals 2, we add c. For I equals 3, we add c. We continue in this fashion until we add c for the nth time. How many c's do we have in this expanded sum? Well, we have n c's added together. Adding c to itself n times is just the same as n times c. So this expanded sum is equal to n times c. We can rewrite the sum from I equals 1 to n of c as n times c. For example, we can use this rule to quickly evaluate the sum from I equals 1 to 20 of 5. Instead of writing out 25's added together, we can rewrite it as 20 times 5, which is equal to 100. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribing, or leaving a comment to support the channel. I'm Joe, and thanks for spending some time with me.